I'm curious, how have you guys adapted to these changing times? And how have you also like maintained a positive culture with your team of 45?
So we spent a lot of time on communication. So we're spending, those that are back at base, we're spending a lot of time on the front line, talking to people, reassuring people. Communication has been absolutely fantastic from the senior leaders above right down to the senior leaders on site, just to make people feel that a little bit safer and better. It's really, it's in certain times for everyone. But we've just really rose up to the challenge with what we're doing. We've obviously spent a lot of money to make sure that we're meeting the legal, the government guidelines. We've done so much across the plant. The plant, every time I walk through the doors, there's something different. Either it's a new hand wash station, or it's hard to keep up, and the guidelines keep coming, new guidelines, and so certainly from a people manager point of view, that brings challenges to just remember all the new stuff. You haven't got much time to put it into practice. But with the team, we normally plan shut down sort of 3 weeks out. We're now doing almost, we're planning the next 3 ahead almost in one day. We're doing so much in a day. All the kind of rule books are out the window. We're just almost this kind of reactive state where we never want to be as a maintenance team. Actually, we're really good. We're really geared up to deal with that as an engineering team. That's kind of where we thrive best.